it's Megan with WTI, and did you know that besides drinking wine, which I'm a fan of, you can also decorate your walls with it? I didn't either, until I got this super sleek wine rack from the Rack Co. From the installation to the look of this wine rack, it totally screams chic simplicity. It has a really understated, yet beautifully eye-catching design. The gorgeous matte black finish totally harmonizes with all of that. It holds 6 bottles of wine really securely. I was happy to note that it even works for different shaped wine bottles. It looks awesome installed in my coffee/beverage station. It's really a statement piece that I love looking at. As a bonus, it also comes with a really high quality corkscrew with beautiful real wood accents. From now on, I have to make sure to have at least 6 bottles of wine to keep my wine rack full at all times. Challenge accepted. That's my point of view.